Well, hello, everybody. This is the Career and Technical Education Department with Stanley County Schools. We appreciate you tuning in to this week's episode of Future Focus Friday. My name is Karen Brown, and I'm the Career Development Coordinator for the South and West Stanley area schools. Today, we will be talking about the Advanced Manufacturing Career Pathway, which comes out of the Manufacturing Career Cluster. So let's get started. First up is Sandy Brennan, our CTE curriculum specialist, is going to talk to us about the sequence of courses offered in this pathway.
We put the advanced manufacturing pathway up on the screen for you to see. You can see that the first course you would take is Advanced Manufacturing 1, followed by Advanced Manufacturing 2. Once you have successfully completed these courses, there are several course options available to you, depending on your career interests. These options include advanced studies, internships, apprenticeships, and community college courses. To tell us a little more about the advanced manufacturing courses, we're going to bring in Mr. Shane Stewart, who is the teacher at South Stanley High School. Mr. Stewart, tell us about what the advanced manufacturing courses prepare a student for.
The advanced manufacturing curriculum covers four basic things that are related to all manufacturing environments. It is safety, quality practices and measurement, manufacturing process and production, and maintenance awareness. Each one of these will be broken down. I'll show you 4 slides here, and each one breaks down kind of just what each one goes through. So the Certified Production Technician Safety kind of covers just production teams, safety organizations, PPE, fire and electrical safety, work area safety, hazmat, tool, machine, and material handling safety. This also overlaps with the OSHA 10 certification. So we have the ability of students who pass that test of doing a little additional training and giving them the OSHA 10 general industry card. The second part of Advanced Manufacturing 1 is the CPT maintenance awareness. It is just what it says, it's maintenance awareness. It just kind of gives the students an introductory to basic welding, electrical, pneumatics, hydraulics, lubrication, bearings, belts, chain drives, and also some machine control automation and just some control and electronics. We move into Advanced Manufacturing 2. You go to quality practices and measurements, which covers drawings, measurement, precision measurement, different types of SPCs, statistical process control, control charts, continuous improvement, lean manufacturing. And then the fourth aspect, or the second one of Advanced Manufacturing 2, is manufacturing process and production, which continues and kind of builds upon. So mechanical principles, linkages, gear drives, a little more machine tooling, a little more operation-based understanding, equipment procedures, production planning, workflow planning, and even some production control.
So if a student takes advanced manufacturing courses as a freshman or sophomore, what are the possible next steps in this career pathway?
After you take Advanced Manufacturing 1 and 2, we have Advanced Studies for Manufacturing, which would build upon that curriculum and just add to it. And we also have CTE internships, which would allow students to go out and spend some time with manufacturers, hopefully getting to see and try different aspects of their facilities.
Thank you, Mr. Stewart. Up next, Talina Gooch, the Career Development Coordinator for Albemarle and North Stanley High Schools, will introduce us to a student who is currently taking advanced manufacturing and a former student who participated in this program.
Yes, I'm happy to introduce one of our current students. With us today, we have Levi Bates. Levi, tell us what you like about these classes and what you were planning to do when you graduate.
Yes, ma'am. So the best part about doing these types of classes is you get hands-on activity during the class, working on machines such as this, Scale Boss machine, similar machines like this, just teaching you safety. Like me personally, I'm certified in the safety aspect of advanced manufacturing. So for me, I've went through tests after doing these machines, learn how to use these machines, and the things that I could go for after getting out of school would be places like Michelin, Corning, factories like Calisonic, many other places like that out there that just
That's
haven't done
great.
food work.
That is wonderful. You have a great future ahead of you, that's for sure, Levi. We appreciate that. So we know you're going to make us proud. Our next guest is a graduate of Albemarle High School, Taheem Little. And Taheem is currently out in the workforce. And Taheem, please tell us a little bit about what you're currently doing and what you've been busy doing since you've graduated.
I'm currently right now, I'm working at Enforge, and I've just been working. I've been here for about 2 months, going on 3 months now. Everything's been running smooth. Yeah. And I operate on the CNC machine.
Okay, tell us a little bit about what you do every day.
Well, I get metal parts, and I gotta like put them on these the little clamp machines, clamp them down, and then I run my parts to the machine, and then they drill holes into them and all that. And I take them out. I gotta go check them out, run it through the lab, and check them, make sure all my parts is right.
That's
So,
wonderful. So your advanced manufacturing classes helped you in the career that you're in now?
Yes, of course.
So what kind of advice would you give other students maybe interested in a manufacturing career?
I'll tell them to go do it if they really want to do it. I mean, it's not really a hard job. It's not really an easy job. It's kind of between, but it's a good working job though.
Well, we're very proud of you, and we look forward to your future. That's exciting.
Thank you.
Thanks, Levi, Taheem, and Miss Gooch. We are now going to bring in Dale Poplin. Mr. Poplin is also a former advanced manufacturing teacher, so he knows these courses very well. Do you feel like students who have taken these classes are more prepared to work in a manufacturing environment?
Yeah, I do. The safety part of the course is very important. We want our employees to be safe at work. We want them to go home the exact same way they come to work. So we focus real hard on safety here, and it's a really good course through the advanced manufacturing program.
Wonderful. Other than the manufacturing knowledge and skills we've talked about, what other characteristics do you look for in an employee?
Well, the toughest one we're battling right now is getting people to work every day. You know, the manufacturing world has changed in the United States in the past 20 years. It's very high demanding of time. We work a lot of overtime. We work a lot of weekends. So finding that person to come to work every day it is obviously one of the number one things we want to look for.
Thank you, Mr. Poplin. We appreciate your time and the time of all our guests today on this episode of Future Focused Friday. If you haven't already, please visit www.ctestanley.com to follow all of our social media outlets and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you next time.